So hello guys, welcome to iTechHub YouTube channel and my name is Dhruvin. In this video I will show you watchOS 8.4.1 is out and what's the new features for the Apple Watch. Apple today released the watchOS 8.4.1, a minor update to watchOS 8 operating system that launched in the September's on Apple Watch. watchOS 8.4.1 comes a week after the release of the watchOS 8.4. An update that the added fix for the ongoing charging issue on Apple Watch. That's because the update seems to Apple Watch Series 4 and later device. So guys, before the starting video, please make sure you are subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video for the iPhone and iPad user. In this video I will show you watchOS 8.4.1 size, build number, new features and also bug fixes on Apple Watches. So guys, now first one discuss about the watchOS 8.4.1 size on Apple Watch. The size of watchOS 8.4.1 is 71.8 MB on Apple Watch. This size is depend on your Apple Watch Series 4, 5 and 6. Now I will discuss about the second thing, the watchOS 8.4.1 build number on Apple Watch. The watchOS 8.4 build number is 19S546 and also while the Apple Watch 8.4.1 build number is 19S550. This is a build number for the watchOS 8.4 and also watchOS 8.4.1. Now discuss about the third things, how to download install watchOS 8.4.1 in Apple Watch. watchOS 8.4.1 can be downloaded for the free, the dedicated Apple Watch applications on the iPhone by going to General, then Software Update to install new software in your Apple Watch. Now I will discuss about the watchOS 8.4. Update compatible device. The watchOS 8.4.1 update compatible device like the Apple Watch Series 4, Apple Watch Series 5 and also Apple Watch Series 6. Now fifth point is watchOS 8.4.1 update new features on Apple Watches. The watchOS 8.4.1 update is not for the new features but also bug fixes on Apple Watch. It's unclear what exactly changes with these updates. But the release notes say watchOS 8.4.1 comes to fix bugs and also that not only affect the Apple Watch Series 4, Apple Watch Series 5 and also Apple Watch Series 6. But also Apple Watch Series 3 also support the watchOS 8. It seems that today's update has not been made available for the it. So guys, this way too you can easily download install watchOS 8.4.1 on your Apple Watch. This watchOS 8.4.1 is only for the bug fixes, not for the new features on Apple Watches. In your Apple Watch to update this watchOS and you can easily bug fixes on Apple Watch. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram and also comment on this video comment section. I will try to fix as soon as your problems. Thank you so much.